Okay, let's dive into this explainer. We're talking digital marketing and how it connects businesses and people online. So, tell me, have you Googled anything, watched YouTube, or casually scrolled Instagram today?
Well, guess what? You've actually already experienced digital marketing today, probably without even realizing it.
So, the crucial point is this: it's literally just promoting products, services, or brands using the internet.
You know that ad right before your YouTube video? Yep, that's digital marketing.
That sponsored post mixed right into your Instagram feed? Also digital marketing. And that very first website popping up on your Google search? Absolute pure digital marketing. Why do businesses love it? Simple. They reach way more people, spend way less cash, and grow insanely fast. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference. Marketing tells people about your business, while digital marketing simply does it online. Digital Issue wants you to like, share, and subscribe, which is literally digital marketing too. So, did it work?